One of my students the other day said, "Uncle Geoff, can you explain a little bit more about a couple of consonant sounds that they were having trouble with?" It's these two. It's these two here. It's thin and there. This is the unvoiced TH sound, and this is the voiced TH sound. Like thin, thin, and there, there. The mouth shape is exactly the same for this one and this one. It's exactly the same. The only difference is a bit of noise in the voice. You just kind of switch on some noise. So the mouth shape is the same. The tongue just touching the teeth. Don't put your tongue out too far. It looks horrible and it's embarrassing. So don't do that. Just have a little bit, just touching the teeth. Now the first sound, the unvoiced, so there's no vibration here, there's no noise. The first sound is just take a deep breath, and you can feel the air is coming out of the side of your mouth. Yeah, the little gaps at the side, like thin, thick. Yeah. The other one, voiced, there's vibration here. So go with no voice and then kind of switch on the voice, switch on the volume and go, and you can feel it here, like switching the sound on and off. The tongue just touching the teeth, top and bottom. So this is thin, thick. This is there, and weather, weather. And the sound is here. You're making sound in your throat. Yeah? So that's why this is unvoiced. There's no sound, no vibration. And this is voiced with a voice. Weather, there, this one. Thin, thick, mouth, thumb. There's no voice for the TH sound. Thumb, mouth. No voice. On the other one, this one, there is voice. You're switching on the sound for there, this, weather. When you breathe, and there's voice, breathe. One is a breath with no voice, breath. But you, hopefully, and it's breathe. So unvoiced and voiced. Two consonants. Unvoiced, voiced. You need to practice them. It feels a bit strange if in your language you don't put your tongue between your teeth. It feels a little bit weird, a bit strange, a bit unusual. But it's perfectly normal in English. It's fine. Practice and you'll get it right. But please do not stick your tongue out too far. It looks horrible. By the way, if you would like a copy of Uncle Geoff's sounds chart, the phonemic chart, all these are phonemes, the sounds of English. If you would like a copy of this, send an email. The address is in the comments section below. Send me an email and I will send you one of those by return. You can then print it out and stick it on the wall somewhere, and then you can practice every day before breakfast. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye for now.